So today what we're going to show you what the purple blaster does is here we have a pontoon boat where the actual benches have gotten these black stains. These black stains that literally are stuck on. So what we want to do is remove them with a purple blaster. Here. Focus there. Just going to put some purple blaster on the rag. And voila. As you can see, all the dirt is already here. Let's focus on this side. Let's get a new piece here. So there you have it. There's your dirt, and everything was done by the actual purple blaster, nothing else. All the black stains are gone. Thank you.